everybody, today I want to show you how we install luxury vinyl plank flooring in our house. This vinyl plank is oil and stain resistant as well as waterproof resistant. The thickness of this one is 5 millimeters. We decided to apply this floor in the entire house. This included the bedroom, bathrooms, kitchen, stairs, pretty much everywhere. The first step was removing the old laminate floor as well as the carpet and the staples under it. So the floor has to be completely clean and smooth. We ended up leaving a few staples attached to the floor because they were difficult to remove, but when we placed the vinyl planks on top, we were able to feel them. So we didn't like it, and of course we took the staples out. It's supposed that you can cut the vinyl planks with a knife, but we find that a little bit difficult. Instead, we get these tools that help us work faster, and we were able to make straight lines without much difficulty. The installation is pretty simple. You just have to interlock them, and normally the baseboards have to be removed, but in our case we have enough space between the floor and the baseboard. That's why we'll remove just a few of them, not all of them. Here you can see how the machine works. It allows us to cut specific angles and it was very fast. We continue interlocking the vinyl planks all the way to the other rooms, and when we reach the air vents, the machine once again helps us to create a nice and straight hole. After we finish the second level, we move to the first level where the kitchen, dining room, and living room was located. And as a quick tip, we use a rubber hammer which helps us push a little bit the vinyl planks and put them on place, so it was very useful. The living room had a lot of walls, and here's where it took a little while because we had to measure the angles so they fit properly. By the way, in this level we had to remove all the baseboards. After we install all the floors, we moved to the stairs, which were a little more complicated of what we were expecting. There was a lot of measurements that we have to do and a lot of cutting as well. Because some angles were a little bit difficult to do, we just traced them with paper and then placed that paper on the vinyls and cut it. This is how it used to look. And this is how it looks now. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see more of the renovations that we're doing in this house. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!